Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to go back if you use gesture navigation on your XIAOMI 15T. So first of all, let me open some kind of page so that I can show to you how it works. So if you use your gesture navigation and you want to go back to the previous screen, all you have to do is just swipe from the left edge of your screen, or you can do it also from the right side of your screen. Which one works out, which one is more convenient and comfortable for you, you can use that. And also you can see an arrow that appears on the side confirming the back action. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.